Action.
And the third thing then somebody though. All we have to do is just ask the people.
We could have just, I think you
A few moments later.
action.
You know, so network thing is not a bad idea. All we have to do, we can just ask the people in the community. Jesus Christ, why am I still such a finish this?
Think about it.
A few minutes later.
It's rolling. Action.
You know, so the network thing doesn't sound like a bad idea still. All we have to do is ask the people in the community.
In our community again?
Something alright?
Action.
Maybe you need to talk to him. Well, Andy, the nurse not for the year today. You know, have a session. We all love for
Action.
Why? That's it, for go honest, but it seems like, come again. Stumble up now.
Wrong.
Me and her still. That me want to have you do long enough. You know how long you have to do that, come again.
God have mercy upon us.
Action.
See it? And that you don't know, man. There.
What you do, man?
No.
Action.
See it? I know that that say, you know. I know uno woman now go pray the thing. Like how we, fucking hell.
Okay. Action.
See it? No, that that say, you know. Uno now pray the thing. Like how. What the fuck more I say? Uno now pray the thing like
I'm a
what?
professional.
Stick it do that, do that, do that, do that, do that, do that, do that. See.
Rolling. Action.
quick. You have to remember, say, you want to focus.
You have to focus.
You have to focus. Come again.
You can't make action.
Quick. You have to remember, say, you have
Quick, you have to focus.
Something alright, yeah?
And like you say, I understand what your doctor say. You see what your position on in now?
No.
No. Nope.
Action.
Quick. What she used to do? You want me to help you with some of my result then? Jesus Christ. I'm gonna get result.
God have mercy upon us.
Action.
No disrespect still not to you. Disrespect or offense? No offense.
Rolling. Action.
Two of them, man. Off a phone at them.
Wrong.
Action.
In that's the result, you know. You see, through the nurse decides that she not come back. It's like,
I'm gonna take it hard.
you might take it hard.
Oh hell no!
Action. Say your action. Action. But when you reach on them stage where you can't agree. You can't agree.
Something alright?
And action. Put it down back. Action.
Seriously? You gonna really ask me that? The shop locked for week now.
Weak.
Weeks now. Ciao!
No.
Action. T, you have to slow down. You have to take your time. I know you're concerned about the shop, but this affect us. You see, I'm have to work it out, the quick food situation. Murder, okay, murder.
12 seconds later.
Action.
T, you have to slow down, you have to take your time. I know say you're concerned about the shop, but this is our way now, and we just have to fix it.
Brother, you forgot.
Action.
13,000 a week, babe. That's a $54 a month. Jesus Christ.
Oh, hell no!
Where they? Alright, Super Blocks. You're not have to hurt nobody. The taxi where Bubble send is a license for your home. Alright, Super Blocks. You're not have to hurt nobody. The taxi where Bubbles carry send.
Something alright, yeah.
Action. So much to be upset.
Oh my God!
Action.
That was a sweet.
Got him! Got him!
Rolling. Action.
I'm mash little cool it up with the one mash up my
God have mercy upon us.
Action.
That mean him desperate and him a come again.
Rolling. Action.
We need to find a way for Trevor. I have something more you want. Yeah.
Action.
It not for be today. Cause I know say I have to go back at
Oh, hell no!
Action.
Yeah, I can relate to that, Jen.
I'm in a name of Jem.
Rolling. Action.
Yeah, but what that have to do with that? Well,
Fatality.